Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial we are gonna learn how to create two cool and awesome effects. The first one will be how to use a glitter effect as a background. We are gonna create this effect. We are gonna write this word and add the glitter as a background. And the second project that we are gonna go through is to create this amazing effect. On the top of the lettering we have some coloring going on, and at the bottom we have some foil. It will create that effect that it's kind of like you're dipping your lettering into foil. All the materials that I'm going to use are available in my prints collection library. Check out the link down below and check out the link down below and grab your materials. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Let's open the Procreate app. You can click over here, add a new canvas. I'm gonna use the screen size. I already have the documents ready. So for this project, all the materials, the glitter background and the foil background are available in my library. The link is down below. Just check out and download the materials. I already have them on my iPad in my iPad gallery. So go to the folder, download, export to your Google Drive or Dropbox or to your gallery, and once you've done that, just click to over here, actions, and insert a photo. Insert a photo, it will go to your gallery, or insert a file and locate the files where you've stored them, Google Drive or Dropbox. In this case, I already have the material, the backgrounds actually over here, so we are good to go. Again, I love this feature. It's the new feature from Procreate. You can add text. So I've created a couple of fonts with the lettering that I like and that I use the most, and I've exported to this app. So I just have to find which one I want to use, and it makes the process so much easier and faster. So I'm gonna add text, and let's go with the word summer, because who doesn't love summer? So yes, style, okay, and then I'm gonna increase the size. Okay, so I like this one. The first project is to add glitter into your lettering. So when you use this feature of Procreate with the text, it will create this logo. So to actually do what we are gonna do, we can't have this we can't have this like this. So basically you duplicate, or you can use the one that you've created. I like to duplicate it just in case I want to make any changes. I'm gonna unselect one of them, and the top one I'm gonna click over here and click this one. So yeah, it converts my lettering into a photo JPEG, let's say that. So perfect, we have it here, and we want to use this glitter effect on our lettering. So let's move the effect that you want on top of the lettering, turn it on, of course, and then you can click over here and clipping mask. So basically what it created, it uses the letter that I've created to outline only the background that you want to reveal. In this case we have summer, so the only thing that it's gonna appear is summer. And this is the quickest way to add some foil, some glitter to your lettering. Another method that you can do is, let me unselect this and just turn this black. I'm going to turn this white, select, and white, and fill layer. I'm going to reduce the opacity. So another method, instead of using the clipping mask, is to use your eraser tool. So this way you have to have your background, your glitter, your foil underneath your lettering. So let's put the over here. So you have the background you want to reveal, you have the background where you're gonna write on, and this is just for guidance. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is click on the black background, go to my eraser tool, I'm gonna select a monoline gel pen. Let's see the size, I like this one. And again, on your black layer, using the eraser tool, exactly, you're gonna start, of course you have to turn this on, you're gonna start writing your letters. Just let me check one thing. Okay, so I'm gonna reduce the opacity of this one, and then black layer, eraser tool, and let's go over my lettering. So actually what I'm gonna use, instead of my monoline, I'm gonna use my Gonzalo Brush, which you can also download for free. Check the link down below. So let's start. I'm here, eraser. It has to be the eraser, Gonzalo Brush. And let's start. See the size, this is good. And if you turn this layer off, the guidance layer, as you can see, I have erased on my black background to reveal the layer that's underneath, which in this case it's the glitter effect. Next project, we are gonna use the exact same word, and what we are gonna create, we are gonna use a foil background, and we are gonna create kind of a summery vibe on this lettering. I want to add some color on top, and then we are gonna create an effect that it looks like that we dip the bottom of the lettering into foil. So how do we do this? So we have the summer, I have the foil background already imported. So on top of my summer lettering, let's add a new layer. And for this example, you can use any brush. I'm gonna use a collection that I'm gonna release very soon, which is a watercolor stamp. So this collection has around 20 brushes stamps that you can choose from. I'm gonna go with a summery color vibe, so let's go with the yellow. Let's go here and let's choose one stamp. Let's go with this one. Then see the size, the opacity, and I'm gonna start stamping, and then I'm I'm gonna create a new layer, select another color, new layer. You can do this with any brush I like this effect. And then let's add a final layer. Let's go with some greens. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna merge these layers and I'm gonna create a clipping mask. I'm gonna select this one, move it over here, and now what I want to do is over here I want to add that glitter effect. So I'm gonna actually duplicate this one, turn this off, and over here I'm gonna use my eraser tool. I'm gonna select an airbrush. And then I'm gonna erase the top of my lettering like this, and then to have that deep effect, I'm gonna slightly erase here. So we've erased this layer. I'm gonna add it on top. So what we've created this summery and kind of ice cream effect, coloring effect on the lettering, which is this one and this one. Now we are going to turn the layer that we've created by deleting the top, and now by using the foil background. The foil background has to be on, let me take this clipping mask, has to be on top of this one. I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to create a clipping mask. So as you can see, we have the top with coloring effect, and then you have the bottom with the glitter effect. Kind of you dip your lettering into glitter, and yeah, this is how you create this effect. You can also play with the foil or the glitter. You can change the color, and by going over here and to the adjustments, recolor, and you can change it, cancel, or go to over here and change if you want a gold, a greenish color, saturation. So this is quite cool. And this is it for the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon on our next project. If you like this tutorial or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon and happy drills!